So Justin here, which is a subscriber of the channel, told us about all these C8 Corvettes out here. Nobody knew except for this man here. So now we out here looking at the torch red, which you have already seen a few times before. We see the black, but we see the rapid blue. And I can tell you right now, this rapid blue is nothing good. It's gracious. Good. Oh my gosh. Man, these must be GM employees' cars. They have to be. This interior is sick with this color. I'll tell you that right now. Yeah, that's exactly what this is. This is GM employees' cars. Ooh, good night. Look at that interior, people. I'm telling you right now, this is amazing.
I have a yellow one that I paid for, but then I got rid of the 5.7.
These are GM employee cars. That's exactly what they are. They are helping out over there, but they parked over here.
You're not allowed over here, Clarence.
Why?
Because this is only for brink of speed.
Oh.
You gotta walk away.
Oh.
Sir, I'm awesome, man.
Yeah, right.
That's not brink of speed. I'm brink of speed.
That's not brink of speed. I'm brink of speed.
Oh, the orange seat belts look pretty cool though. The color combinations, I don't feel like anything can really go well with each other. I like. See, yeah, employees car for sure. Bananas and stuff in there. No regular Corvette owner is gonna do that. No regular Corvette owner is gonna have bananas and all that stuff in their car. That's definitely a GM employee's car. And why is the rapid blue unconstrained when everybody else is driving it in the first place? I'm not sure how I feel about this at all. I like the Stingray logo. I don't know if I like this placement. Long Beach red. This color is not on constraint, but if you want it, it will cost you $995. I can tell you that right now because that's what Chevrolet told me. I like it a lot. I do like the interior. This is kind of red on red. I'm not against it. I think, yeah, they need to be torch red for me. Oh, holy crap. This vent, well, it's not a vent. There's a, gosh, this is different from all the other ones.
This is the transparent roof.
It's transparent roof?
Yeah, it is.
You're right. This is a transparent roof. You can't really tell by looking. Yeah, oh, yeah, you can.
Underneath it.
Yeah.
We saw you in the press release. We snuck in under the tent.
There's nothing wrong with that. I wouldn't tell.
Hey, you know what? That's a good briefing they gave us.
It was pretty much the same one they gave it at unveiling, which was pretty nice.
They didn't tell anyone though. They had the other colors down here.
Right. Well, here's the thing. So, in reality, these are actually employees that came to help out at the event and just parked down here, hoping that people wouldn't see this. Right. Because you look, some of these cars have food and cups and coffee and all that stuff. Yeah, so these are GM employees are still driving and testing out all that good stuff.
We knew they were down there.
Yeah, I mean. Oh man, that blue is something sick though. I'm just kind of torn. That blue right there.
Do you see the dark blue over there too?
What dark blue? Oh yeah, I did see that. This blue right here is just really nice. Yes, you can't miss this blue at all.
I'm partial to the red myself.
I like red too though. I like red too.
I like red with the red interior.
So you do think the red interior matches well with that?
Yes, sir.
A lot of people say they don't think the red on red goes well.
This one, I got a ZR1. So the red on
okay,
red.
nice. I understand.
Gotta go that way.
Yeah, this is definitely a GM employee. You got the iPhone charge and everything in here.
Pretty.
VIP logo on the back.
It's the base.
And they got manufactured place on it. Good point.
It's not a Z51, so it's just the base.
It is a base. It is. This is a 1LT because of the seats. Those are GT1 seats. Yeah. Those are GT1 seats. But in my personal opinion, I don't think there's a really. I want to know the comfort. I'm sure they probably all feel the same to a certain extent, right? I mean, yeah. I
will say I do like the GT2 seats better, even better than I like the competition seats.
Really? Oh yeah, I can agree with that. But why pay extra for that though? It's a seat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, as we were just talking about.
There he is. I saw him down Atlantic City.
That was me.
With your car car with the gull-wing doors.
That is me. That is me.
Remember, I own Fab Speed Motorsport.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Did I give you a card? I
don't think you did.
I don't think I had one. I told you to hit me up. So we're going to be making performance parts for these things.
Okay. For the C8s?
Yeah. You can come by the office and check us out.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome.
We're going to make sport cats. I already have it all figured out.
Okay, cool.
I want to finish up my video on this one. But you're not allowed over here.
Golly, man. I'm going back over here then. You're a mean brink of speed. So, I can tell you one thing is different. So I'm going to point out on this car first. So as you can see here, take a look at this. I can't see if you actually can see this, but this radiator looks completely different from the 1LT. Take a look at it. Right?
See if I can get the...
Yeah. If you take a look at this, what do you want to call this? It's not an air intake.
It's an inlet.
Inlet?
Yeah.
This is completely different from that one over there. It look nothing the same.
Really?
Yeah, that one look like a complete. Look at that one.
All right.
And look at this one over here. It's look like just a complete band just right there. See? How it's completely different. They're not the same at all.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, completely different. So this definitely is the base model. So if you take a look at this, it's completely different from that one. Yeah.
Well, the Z51 has the extra radiator.
It does. But here's the thing, man. I think, somebody agree, I think these red seats look good over there in that torch red. What do you think?
That it would look good over
Yeah.
the red?
Not as good as those. Not as good as those seats.
The natural?
I think it would be too much red for me.
Me too.
Yeah, that'd be a lot of red. I do like the natural.
Clarence, if you like it, get it.
Yeah, man.
I'm just
Don't just
asking.
do it.
I'm
Yeah.
just saying. I don't know what color I'm getting.
Okay.
I just,
How y'all doing?
I don't know.
I was asking him about just being behind the seat. Would the noise from the engine affect, the riding and stuff?
No.
So I think they have it closed.
I don't think so.
They have it closed off.
I do like these wheels though. These wheels aren't bad at all.
There's a window.
And once again, this is not a Z51 package because you don't see it on the calipers right here at all. Let's walk over here to this torch red and take a look at these. Yeah. So you saying that you rather go with this interior with this car than the red on this? Because I feel like that red would still look good though.
It would probably would.
I think you would
it's
need.
just a personal preference as far as I wouldn't want all that red.
I think you had to do some other color with the
Just to
seatbelt
break it
stuff.
up, yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe if they had a red seat with black inserts or something like that, you know what I mean? Maybe something like that just to break up so it's not so much red.
Right.
Like where the inserts is, maybe black there, and then the outside is like the red.
Right.
Maybe something like that would work. But I think with it being just completely red,
I think completely red will be too much red. Completely red, I agree, will be way too much red on that. But this is just going to be a video of me showing you nothing but the C8s. This is all this is. It won't be too much going on. This is nothing but the C8s only. So I hope you enjoy it. If you are new to the channel, you definitely smash that subscribe button. I'm telling you right now, we're going to bring a lot of C8 content to you. He's planning to bring a lot of C8 content to you. At some point, he owns a ZR1, which is pretty cool. I can't afford one of those. That's why I'm still driving a Grand Sport. And yeah, definitely stay tuned.
Just show up about, we start taking registrations at 10:45. Just check in. They'll have everything you need.
Okay, sounds good. Cool.
You made it. Big white tent down that way.
Got it. And just show up and just hang out.
Yep.
So that's all we're doing is hanging out? Okay. So,
Lunch.
okay, cool. I thought you said somebody was speaking, but I wasn't sure.
He's going to be up there speaking and
Nice.
talking, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Too good.
Okay, cool.
I tried to explain to people.
They go, we drove this all day, they don't believe it. I go, it's a car, it drives. You can drive it
You
here.
made it. You made it. I like
I'm
it.
glad you made it. How was your trip, okay?
Oh, yeah. Well,
Been busy.
turnpike. What's it gonna do? It is what it is.
It's a beautiful turnpike that we all enjoy.
The tunnels are the best part.
I agree. I agree.
No, it's cool. Usually I go the other way, but I had to get here quick. I've been going the other way.
military life, we always
Wow.
plan the
It won't
night
change.
before.
You better stop it and start it again because it'll still mess up if you don't. There you
Before I
go.
went to bed, I had my clothes laying out. My car was fueled already. It was already washed. I was ready for everything.
It's gonna get trashed anyway. They're gonna freaking crush it.
Yeah, but they gotta keep it non-scratched.
He's gonna hit that door. It's 8.
So just so you guys can see, this is what when the C8 is leaving. Basically, there's nobody here at Carlisle.
Starting to fall in love with that spoiler. Maybe I overthought it. Spoiler doesn't look as bad as I thought it did.
Mine would have bottomed out on that.
Yeah, it would
It
have.
reminds you of that thing I showed you.
I don't remember. I just think it looks pretty decent.
Yeah.